Welcome to the next weekly vlog. Hey Shan! Yes guys, so because of all the corona business, we had two services. So we went to the first service. The second service is now ending. So we are now, I know, food is seem long enough for them. So right now we're frying chicken because mommy did cook everything else. So, oh Shan, vegetable.
I don't like vegetables.
So I'm frying chicken. Yeah. So I fry the chicken. Shani now do the veg. Yeah. Just look at my plate now. I love it. It's hot. Coming. Yeah, make it cool. You know, I broke up me banana bread. How's it? Yay. So I made banana bread and I made the corn muffin. They're both nice. Morning guys and welcome to hi mom. Welcome to Tuesday's vlog. It is Tuesday and it's week 2 of social distancing and we are getting bored and more bored. But guess what guys, I am planning on putting out videos more often because I got nothing else to do, so we're gonna do a lot of it. So I got some videos planned for you guys. I'll be vlogging and I'll be doing some sit down videos for you guys, so I hope you guys will enjoy those. So guys, what have you guys been doing during this time? What have you guys been doing? Because I get bored easily and all I'm doing right now is just watching. I get up in the morning, I should do a routine. Basically what I do since this quarantine time, I get up, go to work out, come back, have breakfast, then basically for the rest of the day I got nothing to do. So I just watch videos most of the day. I don't know. So good.
For my clarinet, which
so good.
I practice and he helps me, and this conversation is making me uncomfortable and I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I must go.
Hey guys, so I just finished getting ready. I'm going nowhere, just to be clear. I'm going nowhere at all. But be in this house all day, you feel bored, you feel it gets overwhelming, so I just decided to do my makeup and comb my hair to go nowhere. Yeah, so that is that. Oh yes, I did add in some extensions to my hair. I don't know, I just felt like being different for today. Plus I want to film my intro, my channel intro, which will go up today. So by the time you see this, yeah, it is quite late. I didn't know it was so late, so yeah. So I just
Daddy said I should do it, not me.
and I'm waiting for my makeup to be done. Let's go visit these parents of mine. Did you still trying to do this? Did you?
Yeah.
Did you? They see you and they know see how you do it. Hi Dad.
I'm peeling my cane. Get
Are
away
you
from me here.
enjoying being with me every day?
Good.
You are enjoying my company?
Yes.
Yay! But that lady sound like she have corona. Hi. You
Hi.
enjoying my company?
I'm having my cane.
Nice. Me too. Hey Shan, wanna share a popsicle? That's all she does every day. All day, every day. So guys, I found icicle. Also so easy to contour my nose because you just
Smuddy, I remember for I want that.
Hey, what you doing?
Well, today we're going to do a little steamed fish with mac and cheese.
Ooh.
Oh, not get none.
Mom.
Yeah. I ain't cooking no yam for mom. I'm cooking 2 pieces of yam for dad.
Ooh.
Typical, I don't have any sweet pepper nor carrots because of quarantine-ness. I'm not going on the road. So we have to work with what we have.
It is self-isolation. Social distancing, people. Social distancing. Hi guys. So I have not been vlogging from morning. I even had a video I was supposed to upload today. I did not get to it because I wasn't feeling too well. But still not 100. But yeah. My sister is getting some fish done. I'm just here chilling, watching some YouTube videos. I look horrible today. But that's what you get when you're not well. And no, I don't think it's corona, but yeah, just not well.
I really want ketchup.
Chef Boyardee.
Me try a thing. Try a thing, people.
Yeah, chef, yeah. What you going to Chef Boyardee. Alright guys, so as I was saying, so yesterday I did mention that I wasn't feeling well. So today I was supposed to ask my doctor if he can refill some things for my sinus and stuff like that, but he said I had to come in and see him. So I did that, and I got a bunch of medications. So I got medications for my eyes, so I had to get eye drop. I got nose drops because I have sinus and it's causing hell. So I have nose drop, eye drop. I have allergy pills. Ugh. And I also got antibiotics. So I got those to be taken. So yeah. So the doctor say I have an infection. My sinus have an infection. So that's why I have to take the antibiotics. Fun. Real fun. But yeah, just waiting on Dad in the car. He's talking to whoever. I don't know. But yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So it is Saturday. I know I haven't checked in with you guys from morning, but it's somewhere after 1. And yeah, so basically from morning I started with breakfast. I tried banana pancakes. They were wonderful. And then I washed. Then I went to bed and I washed my hair. Now I'm gonna try and see if I can comb it. Yeah, and dry it out and whatever. So I'll see you guys when I'm done that. So I think it's gonna rain, guys. So I'm gonna take off my clothes. Hey guys, it is getting dark and I think the light just went, so I don't want the light to go away and I don't have any light to end my vlog, so I'm gonna end this week's vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I love you guys.